Mark this video in history. Today we are going to talk about fake NAV erosion, okay? And we are going to specifically focus on one of my favorite stocks, XDTE, or ETFs, XDTE by Roundhill. I love this thing. This to me has been super stable with no NAV erosion, but something has happened and you are going to be lied to and misled by YouTubers. Okay. Today I'm making this on the 31st of December. It's another down day. Christmas rally, we didn't have any of that. It's been red day after red day. Everything has been beaten down. Powell spoke and gave a little bit of negativity about interest rates in the future, and the whole market crashed. The Powell event that happened this month. I want nobody to forget this when they look at XDTE. They all use spreadsheets. Nobody uses real money. So this information is going to be lost. Okay, let me find it here. Back in the summertime, Roundhill XDTE, this is August 9th. By the way, when I speak to you, I speak very clearly. I notice that some YouTubers say things like this, that, over here, and they point to their stupid spreadsheets. I speak because most people listen and don't watch videos. My videos are designed so that you can extract maximum value by listening. So I had this great example of XDTE from back in the summertime in August. And ever since then, it was always $53. Here was the Powell event. XDTE was always $53, $53.33. Even 6 months ago, it's been choppy, but it's on the S&P 500. But this is pretty much where it's been, okay? And since inception, it had gone up. Here was the Powell event. And now, the price today is the same $50 that it was all the way back here in August, in the summer when I took these screenshots. So, all of the growth between 50 and 53, okay, here is going to be ignored in their spreadsheets and charts, especially that idiot, the income architect, one of the worst people on YouTube. And please, you know, if they don't show you their portfolio and they live in an RV and they talk a big game, the more cocky they are, the less they have. Everything I show you is with my real money, real tests. So anyway, there is no NAV erosion in XDTE. Now, I can't speak the same for QDTE and RDTE because they took the template, the trading style of that worked on the S&P 500 here and created XDTE, and then they overlaid it onto those others. That's why they haven't proven to be as stable. I know, I've owned all of them. When I look at my snowball analytics, I hate to say it, but I've traded 1,400 times. Yeah, more than that. Probably 1,500 now in the last 10 months. My bookkeeper is going to have a field day. But I learned everything about these ETFs. I wanted a set it and forget it plan. XDTE does not NAV erode. I just watched the most horrible cocky video by the hamburger, okay, saying, ho, 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 wait till you see what's going to happen, and never saying anything. Just a dead-on YouTuber trying to make money off you. So my history here is going to be forgotten, where I used to go back and show this date, okay, here. And I used to compare when I put $61,000 in each one, and this was in August, and then we were always $53, and I was always able to go in real time and show that we had no NAV erosion. And well, the Powell event, I want it to not be forgotten. That's how we got to $50. Now, they've made larger than normal payments near the end of the year. Why? Because they have to give it all out, 90% of it. And they were balancing the NAV the whole year. I'd rather have that than have you overpay me and have my balance go down. In this, my balance goes up. So, watch out for the fake NAV erosion myth that you are going to be told in XDTE moving forward. You've all been warned. Happy New Year, bitches.